So let us take one more example. Suppose 524 minus 29. I want to do this one. First, I will drop 5 as it is. Okay, but before dropping 5, see, you will, in this case, you will get one exception. What is that exception? We will discuss now. Suppose I have to drop this 5 as it is, but before now you can say yes, the answer is 5 only, and 2 minus 3 is match. You will think it as match. So what you will do? You will drop 5 as it is, and 2 minus 3 is how much? 0. But anyhow, next number is mismatch. So you will be right here 9. And what is the one? This one 5 plus 4 plus 1 5. So your answer is 595. Is it right? No, it is not right. It is wrong one. Okay, once again, okay, what is the exception case here? Whenever you are getting the same digits, minuend and subtrahend, if you are getting the minuend and subtrahend, both the digits are same, okay, and that too if they are coming in the middle, okay, we cannot decide them whether they are match or mismatch. So how to decide? Now see here. Again I am writing the same numbers, 524 minus 29. So 5, drop 5, drop 5. Before dropping 5, check whether the next numbers are match or mismatch. Just now we discussed they are not match or not even mismatch also. We cannot say. So go for the next numbers. Are they match or mismatch? 4 and 9. They are mismatch only. If these are mismatch, okay, these are also mismatch. If this is match, this one also match. It is applicable, okay, for the exception case which is coming in the middle, if the numbers are same, if the above number as well as below number, if the minuend and the subtrahend both are same digits, and that if they are coming in the middle. See, if they are coming in the starting or if they are coming in the ending means, okay, we don't have any problem. But where we will get the problem means whenever the same digits, same minuend and same subtrahend comes in the middle only, okay, then it is an exception case. We cannot say whether they are match or mismatch. That's why we are going to see the next numbers. If they are mismatch, yes, these numbers are also mismatch. If they are match, these numbers are also match. Now, so what we decided? What we have decided? This is mismatch. That's why this is also mismatch. So 5 becomes 4. Now, for the mismatch numbers, what we will do? Bring the upper number and add to below number complement. Now, what is the below number complement? 8. So 2 plus 8 is 10. But anyhow, next numbers are also mismatch. So 10 becomes 9. Okay. Now 4, 9. As usually, they are mismatch. So we'll bring the upper number and add to the below number complement. That is 4 and plus 1, 5. So my answer is 495. So that's how you need to do. This is an exception case in the subtraction of match and mismatch method. Okay. Now one more example we will discuss. Suppose my answer is 436 minus 38. So again the same way. Drop 4, but before dropping 4, match or mismatch? Yes, we cannot say. Why? Because both are getting the same digits in the above and below. Now again go for next. They are match or mismatch? 6 and 8. They are mismatch. If this is mismatch, this is also mismatch. We are considering this as mismatch. So 4 becomes 3. And obviously this one becomes 9. Why? Because you know they are mismatched. So 3 plus 7 is 10. Obviously next number is mismatched. So 10 becomes 9. It is you will get obviously 9 in the middle one if the next number is mismatch. Okay. Now 6 plus 2, 8. Your answer is 398. One more example. Suppose 549 minus 46. 549 minus 46. Now what is 5? Drop 5 as it is. But before dropping 5, check whether the next numbers are match or mismatch. Is it match or mismatch? Now this time we cannot say. Go for next. Is it match or mismatch? Yes, they are match. If it is match, this is also match. 5 will be 5 only. No need to reduce. Why? Because we are considering those numbers as match numbers. Now 4 minus 4, directly we can subtract. Why? Because it is match. You will get 0, and 9 minus 6, 3. So the answer is 503. So like that we can do the match and mismatch. Okay, triple digit minus double digit numbers. You may get one doubt. So suppose if the numbers are like this. For example, let us take some number like this, 436 minus 36. Now, this time it is very easy. So 4 will be 4, but before dropping match or mismatch, we can say. Okay, again go for next, match or mismatch. Okay, remember whenever the same digits comes at the end, they are match only. So if it is match, this is also match. So 4 will be 4 only. 0, 0. The answer is 400. No need to worry. See, this is very easy. We are not going to use any fingers. We are not going to use any borrowings and cutoffs like that. Okay. So now we will go to one more step, that is triple digit minus triple digit numbers. Now we will see triple digit minus triple digit. Triple minus triple. Suppose 536 minus 229. I want to subtract this one. Now same way, start from left to right. What is 5 minus 2? 3, but 3 only. Why? Because match. Now what is 3 minus 2? 1, but 0. Why? Because next numbers are mismatch. Now since mismatch, what we will do? We'll bring the above number and add to the below number complement, that is 6 plus 1, 7. My answer is 3, not 7. As simple as like that. Okay. Now see, suppose 628 minus 597. I want to subtract. So 6 minus 5 will be 1, but 0. Why? Because mismatch. Now 2 plus 1, 3. Remember, I am going to tell you the answer directly. 2 plus 1 I am saying. I am not going to say 2 and 9's complement is 1, so you have to add 2 and bring to the 1. So not like that. I am going to tell you the answer directly. Why? Because we have to do in the same way. Now we know the concept, how to do. Yes? Now, so that's why I am going to tell the answer directly. So 2 plus 1, 3, but 3 only. Why? Because match. Match numbers, directly subtraction. 8 minus 7, 1. So my answer is 31. 548 minus 249. I want to subtract this one. Okay. Yes. Now I got it. You got the same numbers in the middle. Okay. So it is an exception case. Be careful. Now what is 5 minus 2? 3. But next numbers, match or mismatch? We cannot say. Go for next. Match or mismatch? They are mismatch. So this one also mismatch. 3 becomes 2. Obviously this one becomes 9. Why? Because 4 and plus 6, 10. But obviously next number is mismatch. So 10 becomes 9. Now 8 and 9. Mismatch only. So 8 plus 1, 9. So my answer is 299. One more example. 745 minus 246. So 7 minus 2, 5, but 4. Why? Because the next numbers are mismatch. I just immediately observed. So this one becomes 9. 5 plus 4, 9. So my answer is 599, 499. Right. 362 minus 261. So 3 minus 2, 1, but 1 only. Why? Because next numbers are match. 6 minus 6, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. Okay. Like that. And suppose 724 minus 389. 7 minus 3, 4, but 3 mismatch. So 2 plus 2, 4, but 3. Now 4 plus 1, 5. Okay. So like that, in the same way we have to do the triple minus triple digit. Like that we can do any digit minus any digit. Now finally we will go one. We'll take one big number, 10 digit minus 10 digit subtraction. Okay, which you will think very difficult to do and it will take a lot of time, but we are going to do within a few seconds like this. Okay, so now we will go any digit minus any digit with one big example. Now we will go for any digit minus any digit. It is your wish. Any digit minus any digit number. You may think, sir, how many digit or how many digit? It's your wish. How many digit minus how many digit? Doesn't matter to me. I can do within a single line, that to less time. Even you can do faster than me also. When you do the practice perfectly. Now we will take one number randomly. Let us take some 7, 2, 3, 5, 4, 2, 1, 8, 6. Okay, and 9 minus 2, 2. Okay, let us say 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 1, 3, 4, 9, 5. So I want to do this subtraction. So from left to right we will start. Ready? 7 minus 2, 5, but 4. 2 plus 6, 8, but 7. 3 plus 4, 7, but 6. 5 plus 2, 7, but 6. 4 plus 1, 5, but 5 only. 2 minus 1, 1, but 0. 1 plus 7, 8, but 8 only. 8 minus 4, 4, but 3. 6 plus 1, 7, but 7 only. 9 minus 5, 4. That's it. This will be your answer. You may think that I am going very fast, but this is the way how you have to do once if you understand the concepts. Okay, now again I am going to tell you how I did this one. Now start from the left to right. What is 7 minus 2? 5. But are the next numbers match or mismatch? they are mismatched. So 5 becomes 4. Anyhow, for the mismatched numbers, what I said, bring the above number and add to the below number complement. So above number is 2 and below number complement is 6. Below number is 4, so its complement is 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. But next numbers are the match or mismatch? They are mismatched. So 8 becomes 7. That's why I wrote here 7. Now 3, again mismatch. So 3 plus 4, 7. But next number mismatch. So 7 becomes 6. Remember, for the every mismatched number, I am going to get the above number and adding to the below number complement. Not the below number complement. Okay, so for this one, 5 plus 2, 7, but 6. 4 plus 1, 5, but 5 only. Why? Because this one is matched, not the mismatch. So again, 2 minus 1, 1. See, I am saying 2 minus 1. Why? Because it is matched. For the matched numbers, I won't say complement. Just subtract directly. 2 minus 1, 1, but 0. Okay. Why? Because next numbers are mismatched. So 1 plus 7, 8, but 8 only. 8 minus 4, but 4, but 3. 6 plus 1, 7, but 7 only. Why? Because match. So 9 minus 5, 4. So that's how we have to do. Okay, any digit minus any digit, it's your wish. We will take one more example, okay, so that you will get a clarity of this subtraction, any digit minus any digit. So this time we will take one more example where you will get the clear idea of the subtraction. Suppose if I take some 6, 2, 3, 4, 1, 5, 2, 6, 8, 7 minus 2, 2, 3, 9, 0, 5, 2, 4, 8, 9. Friends, if you observe, okay, I have taken the numbers in such a way that, okay, the numbers are involving many numbers as exception case numbers. What is that exception case? The above and below numbers are same, or the main digit or subprime digit both are same. Now see here, start from the left. 6 minus 2 is how much? 4. But I have to write, should I have to write 4? No. The next numbers I have to observe. They are match or mismatch? I cannot say. Why? Because both are same. Again go for next. Again same. I cannot say. Again go for next. See, you have to go until you get a perfect match or mismatch combination. Perfect combination. Okay, until that one, you have to go on searching. So first I will see 2 minus 2. It is not possible to check whether it is match or mismatch. So go for next. Again 3 and 3. Again it is not possible. So again go for next. 4 and 9. Yes, it is exactly one mismatch combination. Obviously these two becomes mismatched numbers. So 4 becomes here 3. And these obviously two numbers will become 9s. You may get one doubt. Okay, and 4 plus 1, 5 will be 5 only. You may get one doubt here. See, these are complements. How can we get 9s here? Anyhow, for the mismatched numbers, we'll get the above number and add to below number complement. 2 plus 8 is how much? 10 only. And what we considered, the next number as mismatch. So 10 becomes 9. Similarly here also. 3 and the below number complement is 7. 3 plus 7 is 10. 10, but again next number is mismatch. So 10 becomes 9. So anyhow this is mismatch. So 4 plus 1, 5. But before dropping 5, match. So it will be 5 only. So 1 minus 0, 1, but match or mismatch I cannot say. Again match or mismatch, again I cannot say. Again go for next. Is it match or mismatch? This time it is match. So if it is match, this is also match, this is also match. 1 will be 1 only, don't worry. These two becomes 0. Why? Because for the match numbers we will directly subtract. Okay, now 6 minus 4, 2, but again mismatch. So we cannot say. Go for next. Mismatch. If it is mismatch, this is also mismatch. 2 becomes 1. Obviously this is 9 and 7 plus 1, 8. So this will be your answer. So it doesn't matter how much big subtraction it is. Okay, we can easily tell the answer within a single line, that within less time. Okay, doing like this. It's a very easiest method. Okay, when you compare with any other conventional methods, going from left to right, concept of match and mismatch numbers along with the complements.